earlier I made an absolutely delicious gluten-free vegan seed roast loaf. I did a sweet potato version with nutmeg and ground coriander. It's absolutely delicious. It holds together to perfection. You can use it as a sort of nut roast alternative, ideal for either everyday use. It serves really nicely if you serve it straight out the oven, put it into slices. You can keep it in the fridge for a few days and it works really nicely as a nice healthy slice that you can use as an alternative for a sandwich, or if you're traveling, and then you can put it under the grill and toast it as well afterwards. It's super healthy, jam-packed, full of goodness, and it's really easy to make. So I thought today I'd show you exactly how I made it so that you can enjoy it too. Okay, let's go. So first of all, peel and cook your sweet potato, strain it and then mash it nicely. And then you want to grind your seeds, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. You want to find a nice meal. It's alright if there are a few chunks in there, but you do want some of it to be nice and floury. Grate your nutmeg with a fine grater. Add it along with the ground coriander, crushed garlic, and all the other ingredients like salt and pepper. And then finally chop that parsley, pop it in, and then mix everything together delightfully and thoroughly. Pop it into a parchment lined loaf tin. I use glass one here, but you can use a tin one. And then pop it in the oven for about 40 minutes until it's nice and tanned on the top, and then it's ready to slice. So there you have it. That's my gluten-free vegan sweet potato seed roast loaf. If you like this, please do give the video a thumbs up. Come subscribe to me on YouTube or Facebook, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.